Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato sauce Masala kitchen easy guide. Heat 2 tablespoons oil, saute 1 chopped onion until translucent, then add 2 cloves minced garlic and 1 inch grated ginger. Stir spices into the pan, add crushed tomatoes, salt, and a pinch of sugar, then simmer gently for 20 minutes while tasting and adjusting heat for a balanced Masala flavor. Layering spices matters. Bloom 1 teaspoon each of cumin and coriander in oil first to release aroma, then add turmeric and chili for heat. Use crushed tomatoes or fresh tomatoes simmered down for a richer base. Taste and adjust salt, sugar, and acidity as it reduces, and finish with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lemon for brightness to make the sauce truly sing with Masala character. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and smart navigation to keep your kitchen spotless while you cook. I love its hands-off cleanup after messy meal prep, and it saves time for tasting and plating. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. This sauce is versatile and stores well, so portion it into jars for easy meals. Cool completely before sealing to protect flavor and texture, and label with date for fridge or freezer. Reheat gently to preserve spices, and refresh with a splash of water or broth if too thick. Garnish with fresh herbs before serving to revive the aromatics and presentation for busy weeknight dinners.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.